Hi, this is Lori, and I wanted to just make a quick tutorial for Weebly for Education, since we'll be working on it for this Wednesday's class. So the website is education.weebly.com, and you all should have received an invitation to become an editor for our website. So you'll type in your username, should be your email, and then the password is Longy, M-A-T 2021, all lowercase. And log in. You're going to edit the site by clicking over here on the right, top right. And what I love about Weebly for Education is that it's very user-friendly. I tend to only use these two tabs, Build or Pages. Pages is when you're adding pages to your website, and Build is what you do to that page. So for example, let's say we are going to work on our blogs this week, and if I would like to add a blog page, I just go to Pages, click on the plus sign to add a page, and here you get choices. If you're making a standard page, I'm going to make a blog page. I'll call it Lori, and then I can decide to either hide it in navigation, a header or no header, and then you can also decide whether or not you would like to have it password protected. And then done. Now you'll notice any new page is placed at the very bottom, but the way these pages are set up is much like an outline. Every time you indent, it means it's under the heading above. So you can see the tabs are Home, Pedagogy, MAT Create, Resources, and then anything that's indented belongs under that tab and then continues to do that. So if I take Lori and just click and drag, I'll put it under MAT Create, under Blogs, and I'll just put it at the bottom since I'll probably delete this. Okay. Now I have my page. I'm ready to build it. So I can add a post. Let me move my face here, add new post. You can put in the title for one of your discussion blogs, and then here's where you can decide if you want to add an image. So this blue line that you see, these are all click and drag components. This blue line, though, tells you how much of that component, whether it will take the whole page or part of the page. So let's say I'm going to add an image, and then maybe I want to place text next to it. Now, if I put it again right at the top, it means that it'll just be above it. But if I'd like for it to split the screen in half with the image, half with the text, here that text would be on the bottom. But if I drag it and put it over to the side, you can see now that means it's going to share that space and split it. I can also, if I don't like it, I can shift and put it on this side. And then inside of these, let's say I place Lori Hagee has another website. If I would like to put that link to that website, I just highlight it, and there's link, and then pretty much your standard toolbar that you see on any, Google Docs kind of thing. Trying to think what else. This is a free website, so some of these components you're not able to access unless you purchase and pay for a subscription. But I use like audio. You can tell audio and HD video are two that you have to purchase, which means that any video that you put on a free education Weebly has to be through YouTube. So again, you just click and drag. You'll notice that if I want it to be half of the page, that blue line really tells you how much space your component will take, or the full one. And I often take a divider to make it really clear that I'm starting something else. But what's so great about it is that I'm hoping on Wednesday you can play with it, because you can sign up for your own web page, create your own. Ours is Launji, MAT 2021.weebly.com. But I'm hoping that this could be a tool that you could use to create your own professional portfolio, and so that it can be used and shared at interviews or sent out on an email. To delete any of these, you just click on the X, right? Over here on the left allows you to copy and move it to other parts of the website. So I hope this gives you just a quick overview. And if you want to start adding some of your discussion posts before Wednesday, go right ahead, and hope this was helpful. All right, see you on Wednesday.